Do I need an email list to start a business? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know whether you need an email list to start a business, then keep on watching. The answer is hell yes. Many business owners don't realize the importance of building an email list when they are first starting out. Most people usually change their mind when they see an impact email list can have on someone else's traffic and revenue. In this video, I will share the 3 top reasons why building an email list is so important. Before we get into the reasons, it's also important to know what an email list is. An email list is basically a special list of names and email addresses of people who give you permissions to send them updates and offers from your business. Maybe you offer to give them something for free, and in exchange, the people who want it will give you their email address. You will then get a list of people who have opted in. The first reason is because email is targeted. To get updates from you, a user fills up a form to sign up for your email list and confirm their email address. Someone doing this much work is obviously interested in hearing from you, and they are much more receptive to your message. You can see that a handful of people who have given me their email addresses, but they actually did not confirm their subscription. This can possibly mean that they aren't very interested after all, because if they are, they would take the extra step and energy to manually confirm their subscription. This is a great way to tell that people who have confirmed their subscriptions are definitely interested in hearing from you. As we mentioned earlier, the users have already shown interest in your products or content. Since you already know what they like, you can deliver them highly relevant offers to get better results. Second, you own your email list. You do not own Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Google. Your social media campaigns and SEO efforts can go to waste when these platforms change their policies. Or what if these social media platforms, for whatever reason, disappears overnight? All your database will be gone. All the hard work you have put in is gone to waste. It is better to be safe than sorry. On the other hand, you own your email list, and it is not influenced by a decision of other businesses. If all of these social media platforms are gone, you will still have your database because you own your email list. That's why you should build an email list from day one when your business starts. Some of you might have this objection that people hardly read email. This was the kind of objection I had, like, isn't email marketing kind of dead with social media taking over everything? So I'm going to back it up with proof. Take a look at the mandatory information that Facebook or any other social media asks before you create an account with them. They will want your email address. These companies know that emails are the most direct and reliable way of getting in touch with their customers. Even if you sign up using your phone number, they will keep asking for your email address to help you find friends, for password recovery options, and most importantly, to send you targeted email messages. Here is a view of my social tab in a typical Gmail user's inbox. All these emails are from big social media platforms, so they can engage with you the content on their platform and get you visit again and again. All social media platforms are building an email list because they are smart business owners. This helps their valuation when selling their business. When social media is a great way to reach your audience, it's important to keep in perspective the timely nature of social media platforms. They come and go. Not too often we had MySpace, Friendster, and countless of others. Most of them are either dead now or irrelevant. Today we have Facebook and Instagram that are prominent, but not everyone enjoys these platforms. Some people prefer Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Snapchat, LinkedIn, etc. Basically, your users are all over the place on different platforms. But study shows that at least 91% of consumers check their email on a daily basis. I'm not saying that social media is not important. It is, and you should explore every opportunity to reach your audience. However, you should also spend more time and effort into something that guarantees higher results. Lastly, more people use email several times a day. You may have heard that Facebook has 1.4 billion and Twitter has 100 million daily active users. What you may have not heard of is the number of people using email every day. Every internet user has at least one email account. A recent research conducted by Reticati found out that there are 3.8 billion active email accounts. That is half of the population of Earth. This is precisely why every smart business in the world has an email list. Big name brands learned this lesson a long time ago, and that's why they spend thousands of dollars on social media campaigns to get more people signed up for their email list. They understand that email marketing is the best long-term investment with a much larger return because people will continue to get their message at a very low cost for a long time period. Here are my 3 tips for you, and I truly hope that these tips are helpful. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I will see you in the next video.